Dear colleagues, I am Larry Hinzman, President of the International Arctic Science Committee, and I thank you for inviting me to share the opening of this community workshop on advancing Arctic observation and data actions at the Arctic Science Summit Week. I am honored to speak at the opening of this important workshop on moving forward from the Arctic Action Plan for the UN Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. IASC is a non-governmental international scientific organization dedicated to encouraging and facilitating cooperation in all aspects of Arctic research, in all countries engaged in Arctic research, and in all areas of the Arctic region. IASC promotes and supports leading-edge interdisciplinary research in order to foster a greater scientific understanding of the Arctic region and its role in the Earth system. As you may know, several members of the Marine Working Group of IASC played critical roles in the development of the Arctic Action Plan, particularly Colin Stedman of Denmark, who, with the support of the Danish Center for Marine Science, worked hard to engage the scientific community in the development of a planning process to take advantage of the UN decade. Now we are at a turning point to work toward implementation of actions and to take advantage of the international energy that has been directed at the UN goals of encouraging the science we need for the ocean we want. As president of IASC, I can assure you that our executive council and 23 country members are excited to lend our support to our working groups, including but not limited to the Marine Working Group, to contribute their expertise and knowledge broadly to this important activity. IASC's Marine Working Group is positioned well to draw on the momentum and backing for the UN Ocean Decade. They can serve as catalyst for concerted action toward a shared vision of Arctic Ocean observing. IASC is the premier non-governmental organization for coordinating scientific research planning in the Arctic. With our Arctic Council observer status and our well-established planning process for the 4th International Conference on Arctic Research Planning well underway, I encourage you to help IASC make a strong contribution to this workshop, and perhaps more importantly, to achieving the aspirational outcomes of this planning effort. Marine science has been the focus of one of our 5 IASC working groups since 2010. And in the last decade, we have strived to understand the consequences of the rapidly changing environment and the implications of global change upon the physical, biologic, and chemistry of the Arctic waters, but to also understand the implications of these changes on the people of the Arctic and our global society. It is very appropriate that my good friend Vladimir Rubininin is also here to endorse your charge and to welcome your efforts. Dr. Rubininin and I have known each other for many years and share a common concern for global climate dynamics and improving not only our understanding, but our predictive capabilities. I can't emphasize enough, this is important work, and I am very grateful for your engagement in leading the world in executing this work. I congratulate you for recognizing the importance, and I thank you for promoting these research challenges. Best of luck in continuing to advance our understanding of ocean processes. Thank you.